Kajingbam ya trelang ki bor sarkar ban kenthop lang ki MLA bat MDC jong ki constituency basyakta hak jing kan art khaput rengkat bat ki bor nong sensar haki it ki hima khasi ban penbet ki kamput kala pelong UMLA kamawati constituency ba Charles Marngar ban Tangon tenge hapo kaying dorbar thawain ka jella kabala long haka arpo ar tarik ulber kabadeiru kasngi balai bala penlong ya ka dorbar ka sarkar jella. Uba Charles Marngar habakran tenge halor kani ula keno ba kajingbam kenthop lang jong ka sarkar hapo ka regional committee baladem ka peni ba ka sarkar kamburom mi kinong yalam jong ki it ki hima bat kumju iki MLA bat MDC bat ula keno ru ba kajingsoy ya ka memorandum of understanding lani ka MOU hapadeng ki chief minister ka Meghalaya bat Assam la syusoy klem kajing menjur lang na kinong mikman bat kinong sensar na ki hima. Kumta don kam bahaka wat ka baar ka bayday ban penbet pod baka sarkar ka day ban penkenthop lang hapo ka regional committee ya ki MLA bat MDC jong ki constituency basyakta hak jingya kan at khapod rengkat bat ki bor nong sensar haki it ki hima khasi.
The Meghalaya government had violated the paragraph 20 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, as well as the Assam Reorganization Act 1969 and the Northeast Reorganization Act 1971 in signing the MOU. No prior information, consultation and permission was sought by the state government from the different Hima Khasi and district council before signing the MOU. This show that the government do not respect the traditional institutions and the stakeholders. And even more, no consultation was properly made within the House. Another important fact is that the state government did not include any member from the KHDC and JHADC in the regional committee during the first phase. Henceforth, while reviewing the MOU, all these issues need to be rectified at the earliest possible. Therefore, I suggest the government of the day that the same mistake should not be repeated while going ahead with the phase 2, which is highly sensitive. Local MLS and the local MDCs of those areas should be included as the member of the regional committees for the settlement of interstate boundary between Meghalaya and Assam. To conclude, I would like to state that the need of the hour is to shape public opinion for peaceful borders and redouble efforts for a political solution to this old decades disputes. With these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, I once again thank you for allowing me to move this, to discuss the second phase of interstate boundary settlement between Meghalaya and Assam, and also the need of reviewing the MOU signed between the two chief ministers, that is, the chief minister of Meghalaya and the chief minister of Assam. Thank you. I resume my seat.